Hey guys, Seton HVAC here. So just want to kind of go over some of the training stuff that I've done with you guys, and I'd like you to let me know if you would like to see me do other stuff. What have I not shown you? So let's summarize here. So I've shown you how to do the field Pittsburgh, right? On a rectangular duct, how to make it so you don't have to screw your joints together. You don't have to use an S-lock for your corners. You can put your duct together with a Pittsburgh with just basic hand tools and maybe a portable brake that you bring on site. You don't need a Pittsburgh machine. Showed you how to use the tools that help you prep the duct and how to put all that together. I've also shown you, I believe it was yesterday, how to make round pipe with flat stock, how to make that attachment. If you're in a pinch, you need to know how to make, and I also showed you the formulas on how to determine, how big of a piece of metal you need for this. And I also showed you how to convert round area to rectangular area, which are very important skills. We learn stuff in school that, are very useful, or just teach yourself. My video will teach you. So showed you how to do that. Showed you how to flare copper properly, proper methods, how to use all the aforementioned tools to do that. Flaring block, the tubing cutters. We got our tubing benders by Hillmore. We got our Black Max digital torque wrench, because you always want to torque your fittings down properly. I showed you how to braze lines and best practices as far as running your refrigerant lines for a split system. I've showed you how to use this brake numerous times, how much I recommend it wholeheartedly. It's a very great tool. There's all our copper back in there. Sorry. And then I also showed you how to install the Speedy Channel system by Diversitech. So, and best practices on how to measure your lines out, how to do it as efficiently as possible. So, I'm sure there's some other stuff that I've showed you guys, but I would really like for you to let me know in the comments. I'm going to keep this video like around 3 minutes or so, but showing the comments what you would like to see me do in addition to what I've already shown you. If I didn't get in depth enough about any of this, let me know if you still have questions. But if you have any questions about any of this and you haven't watched the videos, then go watch the videos first, and then come back and let me know what's missing in your in the knowledge department, what I didn't cover, what's not clear, etc. So let me know, guys. I'm here to help with anything if you're learning the HVAC trade, or even if you've been in the trade and there's just some of this stuff you don't know. Like a lot of guys didn't know how to do that or that. The flaring stuff, I understand. If you've been in the trade, you most likely know how to do that, and you most likely know how to braze. So yeah, let me know, guys. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to making more training videos for you. Thank you.